me in many different ways. We've all met new people the past 3 years that actually became our best friends, either here or from other schools. We got close to others or drifted. We may not all be as close as a class, but we got through middle school all together. All the students had a different perspective on how they wanted their middle school years to be. We all knew what we wanted or how we wanted things to go. Sometimes I even stressed because I felt nobody could understand how I felt or how we all felt. What I noticed was someone was always insecure about something. Some people focused on things that didn't matter, like having the most likes on Instagram or having the most followers on Twitter. They considered that as what they represented as confidence or what they are proud of. But that's not something you should be confident about. You have more potential than just having likes or followers on social media. Being confident in yourself was being happy the way you are, regardless what anyone else thought of you. You have to see this as reality. Something that you have accomplished, achieved, something you are actually genuinely proud of. That's what you should be confident about. That's what really matters, is your happiness and the positivity in your life. Anything else bringing you down is irrelevant. We all stress through testing, homework, classes, and even friendships. I then realized we're all too young to stress. We're not paying bills or even working late hours just to take care of a family. We simply just had to go to school, do our work, and get the education we needed. These 3 years have passed by fast. It taught us on how we grew and changed over the years. Even though this 8th grade year wasn't as I expected it to be, I still made great memories with the new people I met and stick with. Hercules Middle School has us feeling different emotions. We're either moving to different schools, high schools, or staying. To some of the people that are moving, I'm going to miss you, but it's okay because it makes us more curious on how our future will be. Although we had bad media, the school isn't what they say we are. We may have our ups and downs on how we feel, but the school is actually pretty great. The students here are very fun, welcoming, and spirited. We're now moving on to high school where there will be more to come. We decide on how we will have our high school years to be. We're the upcoming freshmen. We will experience different things such as rallies, homecoming, and many other events. I would like to say thank you to the audience for coming here to support us, to the staff for putting this all together, to the teachers, especially Mr. Parks, for being there for me. I'm going to miss you. You were one of my favorites. To our families for making us who we are today. To our friends for helping us through the hard times. And last, the students for making this a fun yet memorable year. Hercules taught me find who I want to be. I may not know the rest, but the future lies ahead of me. The future doesn't lie ahead of you waiting to happen. It lies deep inside of you waiting to be discovered. I can't wait what's coming up next for the upcoming high school class of 2018. Thank you.